Hi dear friends, good morning. Today I would discuss the correct use of both in English grammar. Both. The correct use of both in English grammar. So I would remind both, the word both can work as a pronoun in the sentence, as an adjective in the sentence. It works both. It can work as a pronoun in the sentence. It can work as an adjective in the sentence. First of all, I want to discuss some of its rules. First of all, both, a word both, which works as a pronoun in the sentence, as an adjective in the sentence. I would like to give some examples. If I say both Ram and Syam, both Ram and Syam went to school. Here both is working as an adjective in the sentence because it is modifying noun Ram and Syam. So both is working as an adjective in the sentence. In another example, both of them went to school. Both of them went to school. Here both is working as a pronoun in the sentence. So we can say that the function of both, first function of both refers to as a pronoun in the sentence. The second function of both refers to as an adjective in the sentence. So we can say that both can work as a pronoun in the sentence, as an adjective in the sentence, and it is the structure of the sentence which would decide its real parts of speech in the sentence. Apart from this, the second rule of both, we cannot use negative words with both. Both is always used in positive sense. We cannot say both Ram and Syam did not go to school. I cannot say. Because negative words cannot be used with both. Both cannot apply negative words. Apart from this, we cannot say both Ram as well as Syam went to school. We cannot say because both doesn't apply as well as. It doesn't apply as well as. It can apply and. So we cannot use negative words with the use of both. We cannot say both Ram and Syam went to school. The sentence will be wrong. I would have to say neither Ram nor Syam went to school. Apart from this, possessive adjectives. All the possessive adjectives cannot be used with both. Because both works as an adjective in the sentence, both works as a pronoun in the sentence, so it doesn't apply the use of another adjective with it. We cannot say my both students are coming now. We cannot say my both students are coming now. The sentence would be wrong. Why would the sentence be wrong? Because my is a possessive adjective. Both also works as an adjective. Friends is a noun. So we cannot say my both friends are coming now. We can say both my friends are coming now. Here, the use of both working as a pronoun in the sentence. If we use both just after a possessive adjective, it would behave like an adjective in the sentence, and we have already told you we cannot use two adjectives in a single sentence. This is why our sentence would be wrong. We can say both my students are coming now. This sentence is right. Because here both working as a pronoun in the sentence, my is working as an possessive adjective in the sentence, and friends is working as a noun in the sentence. This structure of the sentence is right. So, in English grammar, it is the structure of the sentence which changes a word's parts of speech. A word can function as a pronoun in the sentence. A word can function as a noun in the sentence. A word can function as an adjective in the sentence. A word can function as an adverb in the sentence. It depends upon the structure which would tell us the real parts of speech of a verb, of a word in the sentence. Both Ram and Syam did not go to school. This sentence is wrong. Because for two things in the negative sense, we cannot use both. We can use neither. Neither is used for two persons. Either is used for one person. So we can say neither Ram nor Syam went to school. It means both of them did not go to school. If I say neither of them went to school, it means we are talking about two things, two persons, and no one is supposed to go to school. So if I say either of them went to school, here we are talking about one person out of two who is supposed to go to school. Neither of them went to school. Here we are talking about none who is supposed to go to school. So the use of neither refers to negative sense. The use of either refers to positive sense. Use of neither refers to negative meaning. Negative mean no one. Use of either refers to positive meaning, and its positive meaning refers to one out of two. So we can say that in case of where we want to show negative sense, we can apply neither. Where we want to show positive sense, we can apply either. We can use both just for two people. We can use both just for two people. Both works in positive sense. So remember, the use of neither, use of either, use of both. These three words are used for two things. I remember both, neither, either. These three words work for two things or two persons. But the basic difference among these three types of words, on one hand, both demands 2 out of 2. Both demands 2 out of 2. Neither demands none out of 2. Either demands one out of two. So this is the basic difference between these three words. If we want to take two objects, we can use, if we want to take two objects, we can use both. If we want to take no object, we can use neither. If we want to take one object out of two objects, we can use either. So this is the basic difference among these three types of words in English grammar. I would like to remember the use of none. The use of none. None can be used for more than two persons, for more than two things. If we need to discuss more than two persons or more than two things, we can apply none. But none works in the negative sense. As I say, none of them went to school. Here, none has been applied to show more than two persons. If we are talking about only two persons, we cannot use none. We can use neither. It means here are more than two persons. Let me see what is the remaining part to be discussed now in this class. So I would like to end the class now. Before ending the class, I would like to summarize the whole chapter here. and the remaining part was all. We want to introduce all to all of the students. All is used in the positive sense, and all can be used for more than two things. I repeat, the use of all can be done for more than two things. If we have two objects, we can use both. If we don't have any object out of two, we don't have any object, we can use neither. If we have one object out of two objects, we can use either. But we can use all. We can use all in the positive sense to show the wholeness of the object. So, I repeat, all can work as an adjective in the sentence. All can work as a pronoun in the sentence. I would like to give some examples where all can work as an adjective in the sentence and all can work as a pronoun in the sentence. If I say, all people of India, all the people of India want I would not tell this sentence. I would like to tell you another sentence, because to show a country winner of another country is not right. So if I say, all the people of India cannot dehumanize objects of the world. So here we are talking about all the people of India. All the people of India. So all is working as a pronoun in the sentence. All is working as an adjective in the sentence because it is modifying the people. It is modifying people. If I say, all of them went to watch the movie. All of them went to watch the movie. So in this sentence, all of them, all is working as a pronoun in the sentence. So we can say that all can work as an adjective in the sentence. All can work as a pronoun in the sentence. Both. So if I say, all of them went to Kashmir. Here, all of them, all is working as a pronoun in the sentence because it is working at the place of a noun. All of them may be people, women, children. So here all is working as a pronoun in the sentence, and we are talking about more than two persons. If we want to tell only two persons, we cannot use all here. We can use only both. We can say, both of them went to Kashmir. It means we are talking about two people. Here, if I say, neither of them went to Kashmir, here we are talking about none out of two persons. If I say, either of them went to Kashmir, here we are talking about one person out of two persons who is supposed to go to Kashmir. So this is the basic difference among the use of all, the use of both, the use of none, the use of neither, the use of either. I would like to repeat this. All can be used to show positive sense, and it is used for more than two persons. None is used to show negative sense, and it is used for more than two persons. Both is used to show positive sense, and it is used for only two persons. Neither is used for none. Neither is used for none, and it is used for none out of two persons. It is used for none out of two persons. Either can be used to show positive sense, and it is used to choose one person out of two persons. So this is the basic difference among all of them, where we can use all, where can we use none, where we can use either, where we can use either. This is the basic difference among all of them. So I would like to finish the class now. I would meet to all of you in the next class. Thank you.